How to turn on or turn off Assistive Touch DWELL Control on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. In here, tap on Assistive Touch. Now scroll down and then tap on DWELL Control. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When you turn it on, there is a pop-up. Just tap on the yes button and that's it. So we have now switched it on. If you want to switch it off, just tap on the toggle button to turn it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.